Now for the reassembly. I want to make sure that's accessible, so not that way. Fucking oath, does this work? Not a fan. And even the replacement universal joint is a problem, because this thing is so long that when I put it in there it interferes with the axle, so I need to get a shorter one. And I might just want to put a little dab of Loctite on it, not a lot. It's probably enough, because I'm not expecting to take this out anyway. Finger tighten it. And then spanner tight it. Okay, so that's on there and not interfering with the axle now, whereas the part that came with the universal joint, the grease nipple, that was interfering. So that's a lot better. Now all I have to do is figure out how to get all of this in properly, because that's going to work. And then I can do that one and we're all good. So I'll get back to you shortly. So now I've got those in, I need to put the circlips on. It shouldn't be too hard, he says, hopefully. Just not sure how to do that. Always a problem. Don't know if this will work. Yes, worked rather well. And the one on the other side. It's going to be a little bit harder maybe. Yep. Wow. First part done. Fold that in there. Pull each of those off. Get this part. Aha! What I should do is put a little, make sure this is greased just a little bit on the outside. Make it be a little bit easier to slide in there. see how far I can get this without actually forcing it too much. That gives me access to the grease nipple. I've already checked by turning the wheel on the car and seeing that I could access it. And all I have to do is beat these down, press those in a little bit more, and then reassemble the thing. Not sure how well this will do, but I think it's working. Well, that one's ready. And maybe that one will be ready too, soonish. No hard surfaces, no big bangs. Now, got to get this one in. Kind of almost there. Ready to go back in, thanks to All Terrain Automotive, who I had to go to get this pressed hard enough so the circlets would clip on properly, but they've confirmed this is now assembled properly. And it should, all going well, fit. And then we've got we'll go about like that. Okay, axle in, axle bolt done up to over 200 and something Newton meters. Brake pads on tightened to 23 Newton meters. These ones have been spanner tightened, but I need to go and get the right spanner before I can torque them. But at least I can hand tighten them. I don't have a fitting for the torque wrench that fits those. Right. Getting close. Right. So this is the test. If this spins on an angle, then problem solved. I'm just going to quickly check the other one. So this is a new bearing as well, and it seems to spin fine. I've hand tightened these at the moment, but I will, once I lower it down, I'll make sure those lug nuts are done up properly. Yep, and the other one spins as well, so might be fixed.